Alright YouTube, after that exciting NSV07, as he waits to do his reverse move, now we have NS41N, empty grain train, westbound here in Suffolk on Main number 2.
NS41N, clear Suffolk Main.
Guess what? We have hopper train coming out of Lambert's Point.
Oh, we got a hopper train too?
Yeah, somebody just got lined out of the hopper train. Now they're going. Somebody just got lined out of the hopper train.
What, crew?
No, Lambert's Point.
Yeah, hopper.
So 41N makes his late evening debut here in Suffolk. It looks like a standard cab -9 on this train.
Well, I mean, he just got to sit out.
Yeah, he's got to sit in.
And somebody just knocked down the signal at Oaks again.
No, it's a -9W.
Second eastbound.
No, wait a minute. That's an ACE or an M-2. My fault. M-2. Thank you so much. Yeah, bring it on, baby. Yeah. 27. All right. Let that at 21. Yeah. Woohoo. Chicago Rock Island Pacific lives on in 2017. NS41N looking all right by engineer Pat 5290. Got him. So here we go on NS-SD70 M-2 number 2757 with -9W number 9446 as they will continue west. And here comes the ending. Woohoo! Amazing! How many cars we had, Barry? 88. Oh man, what a great train that just went west. Well, there you have it, YouTube. NS41N empty grain train.
NS41N, clear. Kill me Main 2 west.
And 41N proceeds west with the SD70 M-2 2757 and -9W number 9446. With 80.
You backpacking already? Wow.
So where's this guy live at, you know?
Let's go some kind of way right now. Yeah, I'm sure.
Between Alvor and Wakefield.
So it appears to, and it seems like I got a shout out from the crew on this train, I think.
That'd be good, because we usually
I'll have to replay the video and see, but it was a good friendly crew with a great wave.
It was at the welding company.
All right, well there you have it. Just wait on VO7 to come back. Thanks for watching.